Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I want to show you a really good product that I use for my the artificial turf here. Basically, if you notice, like today, it is super windy. I mean, look at this. And when I first installed my turf, I used just the adhesive tape. And one day when it was really windy, everything came out. Basically, everything was like all over the place. So ever since that day, I use this glue right here, and I'm going to show you how it works because I think it's very important if you're setting up a golf simulator in your backyard outdoors. And if you have strong wind like this, it's not gonna, I mean, it's just going to gust winds over here reach about 30 miles an hour. So let me show you, this is the tape, and this is not worth it, this tape right here. Basically it will come off, it will rip off. And what I did, instead of using that tape, I used this glue. You can see that this is, I mean, it's not gonna move. You can see that here, it just doesn't move. This is the product right here. It's like a white paste. It comes on a bucket like this, and inside basically it's just like a paste, but highly recommended. This is super sticky. It needs about a couple hours, and then I will wait like 24 hours to fully cure. Okay, so it also attaches to this right here, the other part of the turf right here. I'll put it on the side just to make sure. I wanted to make sure that it worked. And look at this, when I go in here, it's already attached here, so you can also use it for that. See, I need to add a little more here, but basically it will attach to concrete and also to other plastic materials like this. I only put a little bit in here, and this is already stuck to the ground. And I only put a little bit here. I didn't put anything on the sides, and because I wasn't sure it was going to work, and it does work. Look at this. Now I can just complete it and just fill it in all through here. Just going to put a little bit on the bottom here. If I were to do this again, I would definitely use this throughout the whole thing. You don't need to put much on it, just a little bit. In this case, I'm going to put it on the bottom here to hold it up, and then I'm going to put a little bit through here like this so it can stick. Again, you don't need to put much, but it works wonders. And I wish I would have done it from the very beginning, but it's going to be enough now. There's been a lot of wind lately, and it's holding up right now. So, but definitely with the tape alone, is not. It doesn't hold up, so you're gonna avoid using tape. You don't have to add it like to the whole thing. I can just add a little bit, like right there on a few spots where I want it to stick, because it's so sticky that you don't really need to put it all over the place. You can see that I put one in there and that did the job. So here I just want to make sure it sticks right at the end here. So all you do is just put this in, and that's it. It will just give you that security that the wind is not going to blow it away. So especially if you're outdoors. If you're indoors, I don't think you need this. The tape will do just fine, but if you're outdoors, trust me, you want to use this glue here. Basically, you don't need to put it everywhere, just on the main strategic spots, right on the corners. I would do, and like on the joints right there, especially on the corners. And ever since I've done that, basically, even with 30-40 mile an hour wind, this the turf just stay in place. So it gives you peace of mind. Just a simple trick. If you're installing this in your backyard, just artificial turf for your home simulator, definitely consider using this glue. You can use it along with tape, but don't rely entirely on tape, because like if you have strong winds, it's just going to blow it away, and actually you can end up in the neighbor. Like I said, I found a mess here. It was all lifted up, and I basically had to like reinstall it again. But now it's doing pretty good. I wish I would have done it from the very beginning, but made that rectification now, so I'm pretty, it gives me peace of mind right now, and I just wanted to share that with you. If you're doing an installation in your backyard for artificial turf. Obviously, the heavier the turf, the better, but even this turf right here, I found it rolled up like that. So even if you use thicker turf, make sure to add just a little bit of that glue over there that I show you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.